Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Wait, what are these? Do you guys know what time it is? I think it's time for my not my first, but my second Rubik's Cube video. And technically it's my first. The one I did as my fourth video, I think. I don't count that as it, but yeah. So I had a play date with my friend Xander today. And he gave me this Rubik's Cube. It goes super fast compared to this. Well, this is lubed and tensioned. Well, less tension. Like he tensioned this to where it's not so tight. And so that looks green on camera, but that's yellow. That's green. Oh, what? What? Oh. Well, that actually kind of makes sense. Like, I'm turning them the exact opposite way. Okay. This is a more modern version. It's not the newest type, but it's like more new than this. Like this is like 30 years old. Like look, this has no stickers. This is all stickers. So it's in very bad condition. Yeah, listen to this. Yeah, okay, so my friend Xander taught me a way how to scramble solve, and I just realized you can take it to the next level. So look, this is my old one, and this is my new one. Okay, good. So, look, I'm going to show you the method he showed me, but like the opposite way, because I just turned it left and it looked like I turned it right. No. Okay, never mind. So, this is left, up, 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 and it's solved. I have to do this because, well, I can't do the one thing turn that well. Yeah, I'm not really good with words, so, and, okay, what? I just went off topic, and so, then I was messing around with that method. I was like, hey, wait, went up, left, 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 up, left worked, and I did it, it worked. That looks like so green. It looks so green. Okay, whatever. Okay, and so then I got this today, and I was playing around with it when I first got it, It goes so fast. My high score with this, like the best time I can do with this, going left up, 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 is 4.8 seconds. I haven't tried this, the up left method, but I have a feeling it's not as fast. And then I just thought, what about right up? Right, and constantly do right up. This, and I was like, if this works, this would be the left-handed people. And it works. Well, also, it's not just left-handed people, but ambidextrous people who are really, really good with, like, double ambidextrous. I don't even know if that's a thing, but who are absolutely ambidextrous. I was thinking that's for them and left-handed people because they're not good with their right hand to turn it left. So, like, roll, shoot. Did I just break it? Oh, I hope I didn't just break it. No, I didn't. Okay, we're good. Whew. But, yeah. Oh, right. So I have 2 new ones. And well, they're not both new, but I have a new one, and I actually have 4 Rubik's Cubes. One I forgot to grab at my cousin's house, and the other, Zanman, is at Zanman's house. He is looping it for me. Since it goes absolutely so slow, like it's this, just like times 5 jillion. Like, oh my gosh. And it's like every time I turn it, it like goes like because it's made of like bad plastic. Maybe Zman like is making a video on like when he looped his cubes. I don't know. Or tensioned. But yeah, just an update. I have 4 Rubik's Cubes, not just 2 also. And yeah. 4.8, don't know. So yeah. High score 4.8, high score don't know. So yeah. Bye. Players out. This is just a quick Rubik's Cube vlog, and bye.